To show you directions on how to submit a video for this assignment of draw a snail trail. So in this first video, I showed you how I traced my finger and used my voice on my own drawing. And I've also included that drawing here. You're welcome to use it if you want to draw your own snail trail. That's awesome. I think that would be great. Right here, it says reply. Click on reply. And you want to find this button. It says record upload media whenever you hover over it. Click it and a camera will pop up and there you are. I'm going to use the drawing that I made. You're welcome to use your own. That would be awesome. And I'm going to actually look at the drawing, not try to look at the camera because it's backwards and it will be hard. So make sure you're looking at your drawing. And when I'm ready, I'm going to push start recording and it's going to count me off. It'll go 3, 2, 1. So here we go. And I'm done. I push finish. So now that I'm finished, I'm going to push save. If I want to, I can play it back and listen to it. You won't be able to hear this, but I can hear it from my end. And when I'm satisfied with it, I will save it. If I didn't like what I did, I can also push this button and start over. So that's an option. Let's say you already made a video on your phone or you emailed it to yourself somehow. There's also an option to upload media here. Then you would either select the audio file and find it in your computer, or you would select the video file and find it in your computer that way. So those are options. You can either upload it if you've already sent it to yourself, or you can record straight here. I like this option because it's pretty simple to do. When I push save, I need to wait. Takes a few seconds. So just kind of be patient. I think I've counted to 11 Mississippi before it actually shows up. So make sure you've pushed the save button and just kind of hang out, and it will eventually exit out of this screen that you see right here and show up on the body of text. So we're just waiting for it to save. Waiting. If you don't draw the picture yourself and want to just use the picture I used, or you can, trace the air. I really just want to hear your vocal exploration. That's the thing that's most important to me. So that's fine if you kind of trace your own imaginary snail trail in the air. Ta-da! Now, it says this link will be replaced with a preview icon for the embedded media. Do not do anything else to this. Do not type anything. It's done. You're going to go to this blue post reply and click it. And ta-da! Oh, let me scroll down. There it is. And I can play it back and I will be able to see it. So that's how you do that. If you have any trouble, I'm going to go ahead and delete this. Please email me. It's on the home page. You can go right here to the home page and my email is at the top here. I'm happy to answer any questions. I hope this was helpful and I hope you have fun making your snail trail videos.